Hello students, myself Divya Jog and welcome to Credence Digital Learning. So in our previous videos, we have discussed catenation in the versatile nature of carbon compounds. So we have learned that carbon compounds can be formed either in the chain structure, in branch structure or the ring structure. So in this video, one by one, we are going to see all the structures in detail with examples. Now let us talk about the first structure, that is chain structure. Here you can see that I have taken 5 carbon atoms which are being arranged in a line. So the property of the chain structure is that the atoms are being arranged in a single line, right? And we have hydrogen atoms attached with a single bond to all the carbon atoms. Here, as I have taken 5 carbon atoms, so the formula we get here is C5H12, which is of pentane. Now the second structure that we are going to see is of branch structure. We are going to take the same example of pentane, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the last carbon atom and I'm going to attach that atom with the second carbon atom. Now the structure will be different, as you can see it is branch, and the name changes from pentane to isopentane. Now if I also arrange one of the carbon atoms on the second carbon atom on top of the carbon atom, so the structure here you can see is completely branched, and now it will be not called as isopentane but will be formed as a neopentane. Now the third structure we are going to see is of ring structure. Here you can see that all the atoms are arranged in the form of rings, as we can see here on the screen. And when the compounds or the atoms they are arranged in rings, they are called as the cyclo-compounds. So it's not like that कि only single bond के साथ ही compounds arrange हो सकते हैं. The compounds or the atoms will be get arranged by the double bond as well as the triple bond also. Now the example of double bond is benzene. Benzene has 6 carbon atoms attached to itself in a ring form, where the alternative carbon atom is attached with the another carbon atom with a double bond. Now the next ring structure we are going to see is about sulfur. Sulfur has the general formula of S8. Here you can see that sulfur is